Good morning, you guys. It is day 4 of Vlogmas, and I just got up, just took a shower. Your girls look too good. Right now it's like 10:30. It's raining outside on this beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a chill little day today since it's raining. Probably about to straighten up the living room because it's a mess, and I'm going to read my daily book that I read, Find Your Happy. I read about 2 pages a day. I try to read it every day, but this is the book. Comment down below if you read this book before. It's very good. So you have like days on there and just different pages with different good stuff on it to remind you to find your happiness. It's the tough guy still in bed. He's supposed to be cooking us breakfast. He ain't got up yet. Babe, you gonna cook us breakfast? What you gonna cook us?
Some food.
What you cooking?
I don't know yet.
See what I gotta deal with every day, y'all. Your girl sitting outside, y'all, about to read her book. Look who finally about to cook, you guys. They is cooking them eggs, okay? I see you. So Bay just cooked us some scrambled egg with some smoked salmon and some grits. He testing out the food. Is it good?
Yeah, anything I taste is good.
We got the dishwasher going. That's what the noise is, y'all. Okay, season. So you guys, I got my pothos plant. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. In these little vases. So they've been in here about a couple of weeks. So I'm just pouring the water out, cleaning the vase, and re-putting the plants in here. Who you guys, that fix of this wonderful breakfast is finally done. About to eat. Look at his plate, fully loaded. Thank you, babe. Grub time. Let's take the first bite together, y'all. It's good, babe. So you guys, we just found this movie on Netflix called The Harder They Fall. I heard that it was good. It's supposed to be top 7, I think. It's 2 hours. Comment down below if you guys don't watched it already.
What that is? I have no idea.
We just finished the movie, you guys. It was good. It ended with a little plot twist. I just Instacart us a couple of groceries items because I'm about to cook some shrimp Alfredo. But this person is lost. They outside? The Instacart people lost y'all, so he finna go out there and meet them.
Appreciate it.
Finally. What I got, you guys, you know Thad. He want his stuff. And then I had to get some shrimp. And some Alfredo sauce. This is the kind that got dairy in it. We haven't had no real Alfredo in a while. So that's what I'm about to get ready to cook in a minute. Oh.
Hey, vlog.
Just boiling the water for the noodles, seasoning the shrimp. That's all we doing right now.
Seasoning the shrimp.
I gotta toss it.
Yeah.
The finished product, you guys. So you guys, I went back and added some broccoli. Now, this is the finished product. Finally about to eat while watching this interview with meat. Bae still ain't ate the food that I cooked, y'all. Guess he ain't hungry. We just sitting here looking at highlights. Any females watching, comment down below if that's all that your boyfriend watched.
Come on, man, get off me. Hooper!
Why you trying to turn it off?
No, I ain't turning it off. I'm turning to another game.
Help. Y'all, I guess Bae got tired of me complaining about what we was watching on TV. So
yeah,
he went
basically.
So he went to Netflix, and now we about to watch True Story with Kevin Hart. Comment down below if you guys watched it. But while we watch this, I'm finna go bake us some cookies. Stay tuned. We just put the cookies in the oven, you guys. They should be done about 10 minutes. So, yeah. But while we wait, I'm going to turn the Christmas lights on. Let there be light. Hey, still no presents up under here. I think Thad about to finally fix him some pasta. You about to fix you some pasta?
Mm-hmm.
Hope it's good. Yum, 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 yum.
I hope so, too.
The cookies are done, you guys. Let's see, I hope they done. Oh, y'all. These cookies so good. I think these like, what, sugar cookies? I don't know, but they're good.
Sugar cookie.
That boy eating them cookies. Y'all, somebody shooting fireworks for Thanksgiving. I did. You could see it, but it's behind that tree now.
Kind of money. It doesn't buy you what you think.
There you go, y'all.
It's a green light, and they keep
Fireworks.
for more. And that kind of money is.
We just finished the first episode, True Story. And it's good. So you guys, we just finna binge watch this whole season. I'm not even sure how many episodes, but we're on episode 2. And so this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for joining me with baking my cookies. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for Vlogmas 5. Peace.